Hello everyone, this is Zack's pronunciation. The word in this video is anthropology. Anthropology. With the stress on the third syllable, the word is pronounced anthropology. Anthropology is the study of humans, including their cultures, societies, languages, behaviors, and how people have developed throughout history. Anthropology. She studied anthropology to learn how different societies live and develop. Anthropology helps us understand the traditions and beliefs of people around the world. The researcher used anthropology to study ancient human communities. Anthropology. Anthropology. I hope you like this video. Subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos. See you in the next video.